Hi guys, this is Asal. As you all know, I'm studying for the bar, and this morning I'm studying rape, and this is my least favorite subject, but I have to study it anyway, and I just want to get it over with. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna talk about rape under the common law, and then I'm gonna move on to talk about rape under the model penal code. Just know that there's like a lot actually into it. So if you're interested, you gotta do your research on your own because this video in no way is it gonna be complete. So all I'm gonna do is just review the most basic things, and that's all there is to it. And plus, like, I don't really think they're gonna have rape on the bar exam because that would like really throw people off, like just thinking about it, thinking about violence and genocide. I mean, I know they have murder, but like rape is just, I don't know, I think it's a little bit sensitive. I don't know why. Okay, so let's move on to the common law definition of rape. It's rape when sexual intercourse by a man with a woman if they aren't married and the man uses or threatens physical force and the woman does not consent. And the man uses or threatens physical force when the threat must be of death or serious bodily harm. Okay, so if he's like really like threatening to really injure the woman, that's like serious bodily harm. Or if he's threatening to kill her, bitch, I'm gonna kill you, serious bodily harm. The woman does not consent now includes like new situations such as like when she's asleep or when she's unconscious or drugged or when she's mentally disabled or when she's like under the age of 10. Okay, and rape is a man deceives a woman into having sex without her being aware that a sexual act was taking place. It is not rape when a man just fraudulently induces a woman to having sex with him and she knew that she was having intercourse. Okay, so if it's just fraud and she knew about it, it's not rape. There's this other thing called marital rape, and states provide for lower penalties and more burdensome procedural hurdles. So yeah, there is such a thing as marital rape, and I'm not gonna go into it. And the next thing is the use of force. It's just, I don't want to use these words, what that means. So just go and look up what it means, the use of force. Now I would like to move on to rape under the model penal code. So rape is sexual intercourse by a man with a woman who isn't his wife under the following circumstances. The man compels the woman by force or threatens imminent serious bodily injury, pain, or kidnapping to be inflicted. And 2, the man has substantially impaired the woman's ability to control the woman's conduct by unknowingly giving the woman drugs or intoxicants in order to prevent resistance. 3, the woman is unconscious. 4, the woman is under the age of 10. When that happens, I mean, you can see she's under the age of 10, So that's strict liability over there. The next thing I want to talk about is gross sexual imposition. This is sexual intercourse by a man with a woman who isn't his wife under the following circumstance. The man compels the woman to submit by using threat that would prevent resistance by an ordinary woman. 2, the man knows that the woman suffers from a mental disease or defect which renders the woman incapable of understanding the natures of her actions. And 3, the man knows that the woman is unaware that the man is committing a sexual act upon her, and then the woman consents because she mistakenly believes that the man is her husband. Now, there's like 2 more things I want to say, and then I'll be done with this. So there's one more thing. In my last videos, I talked about accomplice liability. So I would like to mention this here. A woman causes a man to commit an act that constitutes a rape. The woman can be held liable as an accomplice. So if there's like a woman and, she's like encouraging this guy to like, do rape, so then she'll be an accomplice, okay? Okay, so usually under the common law and the model penal code, like throughout history, it's usually acts by men against women. So if there's more to that, just do your research, because this video is going to be really short and I'm not talking about it much. And I'm going to close off by just saying these last things. The model penal code expands upon the common law in these three instances: increasing the forms of sexual penetration covered by the law, and it concentrates on the defendant's acts as opposed to the defendant's state of mind. And then it provides for different degrees of culpability. So this is pretty much everything I wanted to talk about today, and I hope you have fun studying rape. Good luck. Cheers.